Hi everyone, how are you all? Yesterday I have conducted mock test 8, total 8 mock tests has been conducted. So some students has asked me, so please explain this model test paper 8 and what are the mock tests you are conducting. Give an explanation to it. So I think to explain this model paper 8, let us see what are the questions I have given. Okay, let's see the physics paper first. So if you see the first question, what they have given that when the armature gets dash revolution, the induced EMF will be maximum in the AC generator. Okay, so if you draw this rough diagram of AC generator, so this is our poles and these are north pole and south pole, and first it will be in vertical position, Okay, the coil. Now what happens when the coil rotates from think that this is our half and this is our one fourth. So from one fourth, when it is at vertical position, so I think that zero. So when 0 to 1/4 it rotates, so maximum number of lines will be maximum number of flux will be cut. So maximum number of flux will be cut through the coil. So what we can say that 3/4 position. So when it comes to half, it will be less. Again, this position, this is our 3/4 position. So what we can say that at 1/4 and at the 3/4, maximum number of field lines will be cut through the conductor. So we can say that maximum induced EMF will be at 1/4 and the 3/4 of its position. Option number D is our answer. Okay, let's see the next question. Only one question is there in that page. So fifth question, the what is the value of electric current for a charge C and for time 2 seconds? So charge Q is equals to 2 seconds, time is equals to 2 seconds. Now charge is equal to 2 coulombs and time is equals to 2 seconds. So they are asking the current value. So I is equals to what? Q by T. Q by T means what? 2 by 2, that is our 1 amps of current. Option number A. A force act on a unit north pole which is kept at 4 Tesla. 0 means B value they have given 0.4 Tesla. Okay. Inductive point from the bar magnet when the pole strength is what? 4 ampere meter. 4 ampere meter. Now they are asking what is the force. So 4 ampere meter means if you observe here, ampere means I, meter means L. So what is the force formula on the current? F is equals to bill. F is equals to bill only. So what is the B value they have given? 0.4 means 4 by 10. Okay, and ampere meter means both value combinedly they have given how much? 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 16 by 10 how much? 1.6 Newton. 1.6 Newton. Option number 4. Let's see the seventh question. If current flowing through 6 ohm resistor is 1 amp, then the current flowing through 4 amps and the 12 amps is they have asked. So let's see this one. Let us take this one as R1, and this one as I1, and this one as R2. Let's see up to here. So what is the formula between what is the relation between resistance and current? V is equals to IR means if I bring this I to the left side, we can say that V by I is equals to R. So it is inversely proportional, V and I. So I and R. So R1 by R2 is equals to I2 by I1. R1 value how much they have given? 6. R2 value 4. Okay. I1 value, I2 value we have to find it. I1 value how much? 1. So if I bring this 1 to the left side, become 1 into 6 is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. So 6 by 4. 6 by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, how much? 1.5. So first one is 1.5. 1.5. Only two options are there start which contain 1.5. We can deduct this C and D. Next one, let us see this 12 ohms. So R1 value 6, R2 value 12 is equals to I2 value we have to find it. I1 value is 1. How much? 2 6 2s are 12. So goes here how much? So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5. So 1.5 and 0.5, it is option number A. Okay, let's see the next question. Let's see the next question. Let me zoom it. Okay, the elements of an electric heater. This one I have already explained in the sets. So in electric heater we'll be using one alloy called as nichrome or manganese Here in the option, manganese is not given, so nichrome is the answer. Nichrome means what? It is an alloy of nickel, chromium, and iron. So nichrome is our answer. The specific resistance of a material metals is mostly affected by. We already know that specific resistance depends on two factors. What are those? One is the nature of the material, and second one is the temperature. Okay, let us see what is given in this. Let me drag upwards. So temperature they have given, so option number C is our answer. So 10th question, sorry, 10th question what they have given, not 10th, 7th question, it is given 7th here. 7th question, the power of accommodation of a normal eye is, so in the D they have given, what is the formula for power and relation between power and the focal length? P is equals to 1 by F if the F value is given in meter, is equals to 100 by F if the F value is given in centimeter. Now you already know that what is that? A normal person least distance of distinct vision, or how much? 25 centimeter. Means what is the least distance that a person can see the object very clear, that is 25 centimeter. So in place of F, if I substitute 25, so 100 by 25, how much? 25 4s are 100, so 4D is our answer, option number A. Okay, I think that page is over. Let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. 11th question, a far point of a myopic person. So far point is denoted with capital D. Okay, so far point means what is that? He is suffering from I already given that myopia. So what is the lens will be used here? Concave lens. So D value they have given as 140 centimeter. What is the focal length they are asking? Focal length F is equals to, what is the formula? F is equals to minus D if it is a myopia. What there we have seen the formula is minus D. So D value 140 they have given, answer is how much? Minus 140 centimeter. What is that option? Option number C. Skin appears, not skin, sorry, the sky appears blue because some of the blue component. So due to what the sky appears blue? Due to the presence of oxygen and nitrogen molecules in the air. So oxygen and nitrogen molecules. So these are what gas molecules present in the air. So we can say that option number 1 is our answer. 13th question. A non-transparent object is placed in at the center of the transparent sphere. There is a sphere and an object is placed at the center. An object is placed at the center. Now what they are asking that, what is the position of the object when saw from the outside? They are asking the V value. So this is an example in the given after this concept. I mean, in which chapter we can say that refraction of light on curved surfaces. So there, what is that? In the problem, what is that answer you will get? V is equals to minus R. This is the formula you will get at the last. So V is equals to minus R means what we can say that where the object is there only we can find the image. So at the center, answer is our option number A. So let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. An object is placed before the focus of the convex lens. So before, let us see the convex lens and focus and center of curvature. So before the focus, an object is placed. The property of the image. So if the object is placed in between the focus and the optic center, two rays, one ray moving parallel to the principal axis, what happens? What happens? It will converge and it will be passing through the focus, right? Second ray, as you already know, that passing through the optic center. Now if you extend it backwards and these two extend it backwards, these two will intersect and here the image will be formed. So here image is forming in front of the lens, means on the left side of the lens, of left and right. So we can say that it is a virtual image if it is from left side of the lens, and if you observe this size, it will be magnified, virtual and magnified, option number B. When n is the refractive index of the medium, e is the velocity of the light, then what is the relation they are asking? So we know that n is equals to c by v. So it is what inversely proportional. So if n value is high, v value will be low. So option number A is our answer. So okay. Now next 13th question. What is that? Which one of has a dimensionless quantity? So what is that? Refractive index. Refractive index will not have any dimension. Why? Because it is a ratio. N is equals to c by v. C meter per second, speed of light in vacuum meter per second. right? V velocity of light meter in a medium meter per second, or gets cancelled. So it is a ratio, so it is a dimensionless quantity. Option number C is our answer. Okay, that page is over. Let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. Now the temperature depends on the average kinetic energy of the molecule is. So here we have a relation that kinetic energy depends on the temperature. So there is an experiment like if you take hot water and a cold water, if you pour what is that, color particles into it, so jiggling of the colors will be more in the hot water comparing with the cold water. Jiggling means what? Movement of color particles will be more. Why? Because there the heat energy is more. That is the reason. Kinetic energy means what? The energy possessed by the body which of its motion. When an object is moving, then the object is utilizing its kinetic energy. So here the color particles are moving means what? It has more energy because it is a hot water we have taken. So kinetic energy is depend on temperature proportional. Specific heat of substance depends on what? We already know the specific heat of substance depends on two factors. One is the nature of the material. Second one is the temperature. So they have given temperature. They have, sorry, option is our C. So chemistry part is over. Let's see the, so physics part is over. Let's see the chemistry part. So what is a fluorine? Fluorine C60 molecule is called as fluorine, and it is an allotrope of what? Allotrope of carbon. C means what? Carbon only. So it is what? Allotrope of carbon. Option number D. So that page is over. Let's see the next page. Which of the following has the weakest carbon to carbon? So weak means what? Weak bond should be present. So if it is a triple bond, more triple bond means what? You can, here we can find two pi bonds. So if you observe here C2H2, C2H2 means what? How we can write it? So like this only. So this is one pi bond, this is one pi bond, and remaining all are sigma bonds. So two pi bonds is present, so weak bond. So C2H2 is our answer. All the members of homologous series. Homologous series means what? If you are goes on adding CH2 into it, then it is called as homologous series. So what will have will be same. It will have same chemical properties. Option number D. Now, which method is used to remove the impurities from the zinc blend? Zinc blend, what is the formula? ZnS. S means what? Sulfur. So sulfide ore means what is the method you will use? Froth flotation method. Option number D. Okay, I think that page is over. Let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. During polling process, okay, polling. We use while using green wood, it is released reducing gases. Prevent the metal from what? Oxidation. Okay, oxidation is our answer. This question has been already discussed in these sets, which was already uploaded in my channel. You can see there, metallurgy chapter, 4 sets I have been already uploaded. So let's see the next question. Okay, which type of ions are generally formed between the ionic bond? Ionic bond is formed between what? Between a metal and a non-metal. Metal and a non-metal. Ionic bond. Covalent bond means what? Covalent bond is formed between the non-metals. Okay, so here they have a ionic bond. So metal will be losing the electron, so that it will form what? Cation. Non-metal will be gaining the electron, that it becomes what? Anion. So metal cation and a non-metal anion. So 25th question, not 25th, 7th question of chemistry part. Among the following, the correct pair is, okay, BeCl2. BeCl2. How it look? Cl, Cl. So it is what? Linear structure. So that is correct only. Option number A. So NH3, ammonia. Ammonia is not V shape. Ammonia will have pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. Okay. CH4. CH will have, methane will have what? Tetrahedral shape. And H2 will have V shape. So option number A is our answer. Okay. Next page. The total number of covalent bonds an atom of an element forms is called as. So number of covalent bonds being made by an atom is called as our covalency. Easy question. 27th question. Among the chalcogens, the electron affinity is highest for. The chalcogen means what? Oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, these are the elements. Now, highest they are asking. So, if you know that electron affinity means what? Amount of energy liberated when an electron is added to an atom. Okay, that is called electron affinity. So, if you see the trend down the group, electron affinity value decreases means Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So maximum which will have more energy. You should may feel that down the group decreases means what, maximum oxygen should be present, but if you keep oxygen as an answer, it will become wrong. Okay, why? Because electron affinity means what I told, electron, when the energy liberated when an electron is added to the atom, right? Now if you observe the oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, oxygen, if you see the atomic size, it is decreasing, right? Not decreasing, increasing. Down the group, atomic size increases, means this will have less size, oxygen will have less size. Oxygen will have less size means if you are adding an electron into it, so since the size is more and the electrons are negative charge, its repulsion will be more. Since the repulsion is more, it will not allow any another one more electron to be added into it, because size is small, so there is no place for one more electron to be added into it, so it will not allow. So what we can say that oxygen will not be present at the first, it will be present at the last. Understood? So what we can say that sulfur will have the highest. Understood the answer? Why sulfur will have the highest? Because sulfur has more space, so it can accommodate one more electron. Here oxygen does not have a space, since the size of oxygen is less, so it doesn't want a one more electron to be accommodated into it. So we can say that oxygen comes at the last and sulfur becomes at the highest position, so sulfur is our answer. 28th question, Ica silicon. Ica silicon is also called as germanium. Okay, that page is over. Let's see the next page. Let me zoom it. According to Pauli, the electronegativity of the hydrogen. Electronegativity formula is what? It is an average of ionization potential plus electron affinity by 2. So Pauling has given the electronegativity value of hydrogen as 2.20. Electron affinity values of the element depends on the bond energies. Okay, so 2.20, 2.20 is not there, 2.10 is there, so option number C is our answer. Sequence filling of an atomic orbitals is known as dash chart. What chart? Molar chart. So here it is not molecular chart, it is molar chart. Okay, option number D. Let's see the next question, 13th question, 1 minute. Let me drag upwards. 13th question. The quantum numbers n is equals to 4. N is equals to 4 means what? It should be the fourth period. Fourth period, 1, 2, 3, 4. And L value 0 they have given. So it should be the first group. So hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, fourth period. And L equals 0 means so it should be a potassium. Okay. So last page, 13 questions over, 2 more questions are there. Let me zoom it. The sub levels of L. So if you take the nucleus at the center, okay, first shell is called as K, second shell is called as L. So it will have how many subshell? 1. S subshell. K means what? Second shell means 2 subshells will be present. S, P. So option number 2. Color of methyl orange in alkali. Alkali means base. Always remember. You see this methyl orange is there ORA. You remember is A as acid. Okay, R means red, means in the acid methyl orange color is red. Okay, and if the here methyl is there, methyl Y you remember as yellow. So in the base its color is yellow. So here alkali means what? Base, its color is what? Yellow. Option number B. So with this we have completed, or I have explained this model paper 8 which was given yesterday in the group. So someone has asked me, so please give an explanation to this model paper. So I have given the explanation. Today also you'll be having one next model paper. It will be uploaded in the group, so you can attempt it. At the same time, we'll be having today I will be giving this set 2 of carbon and its compound chapter. Thank you. This is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.